The question asks to find angle HAC, this angle here. Let's just call it X. So you can pause the video and try it yourself. To do this question, let's read it first. The question says the diagram shows a regular octagon. Octagon means 8 sides. We can count that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, what I will do first, I'll try to find the interior angle, which is all this, the green one. Let's find that first. How do you find it? There is a formula you will use for the interior angles. It's n minus 2 times 180. N is the number of sides. So there are 8. 8 minus 2 times 180, which is 6 times 180. Plug this in your calculator and this will give you 1080. 1080. Now this is the sum of the interior angles. To find one angle, you will just do 1080 divide by how many angles. There are 8 angles, so that gives you 135. So now this is very good. We got this green angle here. It was green. We got it to be 135. Now we don't need all this. Let's just erase it. So each interior angle is 135. That means this one also is 135. Now, if we look at this nice triangle here, triangle ABC here, this is isosceles, right? Because AB is equal to BC. Now, since this is isosceles, that means these angles here, I'll just mark them in red. That means this angle and this angle are equal. So we will do 180 minus 135. That gives us 45. If you divide this by 2, it gives you 22.5. Why did I divide by 2? Because it's just 2 angles here. So this angle here is 22.5. And since all this angle is 135, so x is 135 minus 22.5. And that's your answer. It gives you 112.5. So it's 112.5. And that's your final nice answer. Was it easy?